Wok of Fame live cooking buffet. My first time here at Wok of Fame buffet. This is a large buffet. It's quite dark in here, but this is a very large buffet. I'm here at opening at 12 o'clock and there's one other couple here. I hope this is good. Never been here before. Glasses are displayed nicely. Drink machine. So let's see what we have. Salmon sushi, crab meat sushi, wasabi sushi, Wok of Fame rolls, avocado salmon rolls. I will zoom in here for whether salmon avocado roll, dynamite roll, California roll, spicy salmon roll, veggie maki, sweet potato roll, cucumber rolls. Soya sauce is on my table. Okay. Got some ginger and seaweed salad, wasabi, kimchi, edamame. So now for the good stuff. Chicken sumai, fish sashimi, oh no, fish sumai, hagao, and regular sumai, pork I guess. Vegetable fried noodles, egg rice, beef and broccoli. This stuff looks good. General Chow chicken, green bean stir fried, lemon chicken, barbecue pork slices, chassis, teriyaki chicken, baza fish. Not sure what baza fish is. Black bean chicken, beef tendons, mixed veggie stir fry. Here we have, oh my favorite, shrimp chips, crispy sticks, empty shrimp chips. Oh, I think you bring the stuff up here to the live kitchen and they'll cook it for you. So sort of like Mongolian Grill. Chicken sirloin steak made on the live grill. And that is salmon fish. Salmon fish. Shrimp and fish. So I got the steak from the live buffet, the live kitchen, not sure what it is. Got the steak on my Wok of Fame plate. Let's give it a shot. Sweet sour sauce, lemon sauce, and sweet chili sauce. Chicken wings, yum. Salmon fillet, spicy chicken, McNuggets, chicken balls, veggie tempura, deep fried bananas, yes. Steamed rice, not going to open it, it's going to look like steamed rice. Garlic bread, pizza, double fried french fries, veggie spring rolls, potatoes, gravy, plum sauce, hot sauce. Mixed veggie stir fried mixed vegetables with mushrooms, sweet corn, potato and egg salad, lemon wedges, spicy kimchi, macaroni salad, creamy coleslaw, tomato salad, broccoli and raisin salad, Alaska salad, apple salad, oil vinegar mixed salad, and sweet corn salad, cottage cheese, mango salad versus sticky rice, Italian dressing, mixed salad, Caesar dressing, upside down, black olives, and romaine lettuce, croutons, and bacon bits. There's waffles here, but there are no waffles here. Strawberry jello, lychee jello. I love lychee jello. Fresh orange, whipped cream without the H. Mixed fruits with raspberry topping, fresh grapes, fresh pineapple, but it looks really dry. I don't eat pineapples, someone can maybe comment on that. Fresh watermelon, cantaloupe. Triple chocolate cake, Napoleon cake, mango mousse cake, coconut macaroons, gotta try those, salted caramel cake, mango pudding, oh, strawberry shortcake, oh my, I'll try that. Coconut sweet potato macaroon, try that too. Fudge cake, chocolate fudge cake, caramel pudding, coconut mousse cake, mocha mousse, raspberry mousse, tiramisu mousse, and cappuccino cake. Minnie Mouse works here, and she does soft serve ice cream. Vanilla and cookies and cream, mango strawberry, cappuccino chocolate. Maybe I'll just eat the toppings by themselves. Got more lychee jello, macaroni salad, potato salad, apple salad, which is very tasty. I'm having the Minnie Mouse ice cream, and I have some chicken here from the live grill with teriyaki sauce. They have desserts, lychee jello. I don't remember what I got. Raspberry mousse cake, some coconut, macaroons, watermelon, and I chose the strawberry shortcake. So this is the raw food station that I guess you give to the guys to cook. You have zucchini slices, snow peas, bean sprouts, broccoli, green peppers, udon noodles, fettuccine pasta, seafood mushrooms, more mushrooms, beef, chicken, shrimp, carrot slices, baby corn, lettuce, mushrooms, leeks, celery, bamboo shoots, orange, shiitake mushrooms, cabbage, red onions, shrimp, crab meat, mushrooms, flat noodles, tofu, bok choy, broccoli,